Let's look at this question. Two circles are externally tangent with a common external tangent. If the radii of the circles are 9 and 16, what is the distance x between the points of tangents? Okay, look at this. When you join this line, you will get 25. Now this is 9. This is 16. But what I'm doing is I'm joining a line here. I'm joining a line here. From this point parallel to the line joining their centers, I'm making another line. So this will be 9 now. And this will be 7. This will be 7. Look at this. This is still 25. This is 7. What will be the length of the direct common tangent? It will be 24 using the Pythagorean triplet. Therefore, the answer to this question is 24.